Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Kenneth, and in this channel I provide quality content that is tech related, gaming related, and that basically solves different problems. So whether you're looking into graphic design, web development, mobile phone hacks, computer hacks, how to make your computer fast, I got it all in this channel. So welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be providing a simple solution to the Samsung flickering problem. So whether your Samsung or any other phone is flickering, or whether it's flashing or behaving abnormally, I've got a solution for you that can help you solve it within 2 minutes. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Welcome. The very first solution that I'll propose is ensuring that your software is up to date. So whether you're running Android 11, Android 12, or the latest Android 14, ensure that the software is updated. So in order to check if your software is updated, head over to settings. Then once you're in Samsung user interface setting, check for software update, scroll down and tap on download and install. And this will prompt your device to check for any available updates and install them. This is a quick and easy step that can resolve many issues, not only the flickering but the flashing effect on your phone. If the first solution of updating the software doesn't solve your problem, we'll head over to the next solution. So the next solution is you look at your display settings. Sometimes certain display features can interfere with your screen's performance. In this case, go to settings, then under display you'll find different options. I'd recommend turning off adaptive brightness. So for the adaptive brightness, it automatically adjusts your screen brightness based on your surroundings, but at the same time it can sometimes cause flickering. The next thing is you can also try disabling night mode if this is enabled. So night mode reduces blue light, which is great for your eyes, but at the same time it contributes to the screen flickering in majority of Samsung phones. So if the second option doesn't solve your problem, the next thing that you can try is resetting your device. So under resetting your device, this will not make you lose any of your data. It will only reset your settings to their default state. In order to do this, go to the settings option, then under general management, tap on reset. From this section, you'll choose reset settings, and then your phone will restart, and hopefully this will fix the flickering issue. If you're still having the same problem, I think we might go to another option, and this one involves locating an app which might be affecting your phone. So there are two options here. You can either look back into a time when you installed a third-party app and when the problem started with your phone. If you don't recall that, then don't worry. You can easily boot your device into safe mode. To do this, press and hold the power button until you see the power off option. Then press and hold the power off until the safe mode prompt appears, and tap on safe mode to restart your phone. Once you're in the safe mode, only the pre-installed apps will run. If the flickering stops, you'll know that a third-party app is to blame. Then you can install the apps individually until you locate the ones that was causing you all the problem. Finally, if none of the solutions work, then it is now time to contact a Samsung support or visit an authorized service center. In many countries, you can visit the Samsung Call Care. They'll provide you with reputable engineers that will help locate the problem. At the same time, you could check your screen if there is a crack on it. In most phones, the crack interferes with the power supply to the screen, and this causes flickering or flashing within the screen. The support team will guide you through further troubleshooting steps, or they'll arrange a repair at a cost, or sometimes it will be a defect that will be repaired for you for free. And there you have it, guys. One of the solutions within this video will help your phone come back to its normal status, whether it's your Samsung, Tecno, Redmi, whichever phone it is that has the flickering or the flashing problem. So guys, as usual, if you find the video helpful, leave a thumbs up, leave a like, and let's meet on the next one. Thank you. Bye.